to take our inspiration to a whole nother altitude. If you've ever fantasized about soaring above the clouds, you'll definitely want to stick around. Allow me to introduce you to Stefanie, the incredible force behind Fly305.com, a business that's not just about flights, but about capturing the essence of freedom and luxury in the sky. So what is Fly305 really all about? Imagine owning the ultimate freedom machine, a jet. From single pilot aircraft for those who love the hands-on flying experience to powerful jet engines designed for ultimate comfort and speed, Stefanie and her adapted team are the experts you need. They specialize in aircraft sales and comprehensive management, making sure you not only get the aircraft of your dreams, but also maintain it high to the sky standards. Now, some may wonder, why showcase a business that doesn't operate out of a traditional storefront? Here's the thing. Innovation knows no boundaries. Stefanie's business is a prime example of how modern, ambitious enterprises can redefine the industries and make waves, or should I say, cloud trails, without a brick and mortar presence. And trust me, you won't want to miss the exhilarating footage we got lined up. It's going to be an adrenaline-pumping, eye-opening glimpse into the captivating world of Fly305. So let's fasten our seatbelts and prepare for takeoff. Let's dive into the incredible offerings of Fly305 and find out how Stefanie is revolutionizing the sky as we know it. And as always, stay connected.